Around last week, president ebe bane asore ene schools ewo Ghana no. Asofo baako bi wo Kumasi aye friend Apostle Kofi Nkansa Sarkodie na woye sofo panyin ema asore bi aye friend Open Arms Ministry. Sa asofo ne Trinity PA say wono the president aka no wonte ye president say my kwa sorry or no so for the obebie na sorry na the church members aba. But the story ne brel say police for ekokoche sa asofo nkrofo ebon nsemra ne efreno Kinsack because so hwe ni din a Kofi Nkansa Sarkodie ene ne real name nti your friend Kinsack. Now me mamoti ase se bosofo no ye de no ekọ Kumasi Central police station. Na yede no call her no kre wokotro ne numu asem ye detain no for some time. Ena sanya emra esi tre no na ewo se ye ma ne bail nti ye grant ne bail. Ye grant ne bail no interview bia wo ye me de bremo. Osofo ne ka se wono de nanado kan wonte ye because ono sofo no wanyinsin nanado. Nti de sofo ne kan yo. Osi wono sofo no wanyinsin nanado nti se nanado se wono sofo no ento na asori mu a Adena nanado amfre na mbo na mane ansa no no wenyisi nanado nti wontie nanado ena me say sabi ebimo minim say ye ignorance say ye illiteracy say ye den you na nini nemu no is for the betterment brofo obi brofo awokan nini nemu no is for the betterment of the nation no say coronavirus aba yen person brofo be kwa kobodom pemegu bebi no enu hunti osofo ise wonte da. Now, Osofo ne ma warn and say, well, no there, because time they acquire arresting it was, I think, Wednesday. Na Satan na kum chacha aba ye audio ato abonten and a video ato abonten say, well, no pan there. Wobekwa sorry. Now it was midweek and Osofo ne yes sir. Na ya chini we na kum chacha beka say, masa, well, no kum chacha na ya grown and na audio. He wasn't serious. Nti so no nti na Osofo ne kwa yes sir there. That is Osofo no said we Jimmy. Because on ukum chata ne betrayal say wo so for kokuma na un kokuma nti adan e na wo say wo hwe no ekobie wa asore na kre wo so for ne be release no obeyi ku a say wo no the Sunday wo be bia asore na Sunday wo be bia asore no Sunday aye ken wo so for no san ko bia asore na nda me no ka say police for o ma san so ache no ende ye de so for no e court now assembly ni Eya na wobi bisa me say inti ada na first time police for chain no wo mo ejani mu. Okay, so let me just explain matters to you very well. Now, so what you say. Embra president Emma order say ma obi ambia sorry, ma obi enko school no. Yes, president ena kasa. But wo hwa Ghana constitution ni mu a na embra so Emma Ghana ni bia kwan se baby a wo pese wo ko Ghana ha bia no wo bia entumi enye den entwetwe ne nsan iti na sa law no so ewo ho ema Ghana ni no iti police for echi Kinsack ne kre wo pe lawyer lawyer ne be kan asem na nka asem na enkonko di hwe now and I think says Kinsack he didn't know of this Friday before Sunday ya Kinsack ko ya dey where police for be chin no Friday and parliamentarians for entem especially the majority omo yentem ekọ parliament ekọ pass law said ye president na eka ewo coronavirus embre we mu nko ade mra it is a president ka say Monday 6 o'clock na one that 6 o'clock with yamra e was a police for echo near the ekọ court. It is Friday, and the parliamentarians no pass that thing into a law. But the sense of coronavirus cases na ekoko strunity Ghana for bebre adwen ambaso. It is na me no ka say coronavirus in sense no the president make us Ghana for monda mama nko ha eyemra untumi nka say president aka wo de ope onye eyemra Odu ope onya embra sisia na emra ma ho kwan se e wose police for eye den echew Into was awful way. A son said, "Your chin the first time, that's our time, no any running to no officer, no. Meaning, say no, name say Friday, na woman pinya masada na beda name ra. Into Sunday, we could be an sorry, not to say with Yamra. It is the first time you will say, oh, so constitutional and mouse and right be on worship, ni baby, a wobble corner in Yama, Yatia, so they release you. Now Sunday we are and no the way and with Yamra into another the cost room ever from police watching one quandia or the ever court or so we are sure say you no court we na later your man who say idea we are with Yamra na uncle and no be na Italy for and no be no more yet I and I no can say you chill Italy. So one na mabontin one hwe ya obekwa ko dem be 3 years because womo so sa womo ye ya no mo be pass mra say coronavirus aba eku womo say no e was say the president na air can restrictions a woman na yem fanya mra it womo so womo pass sa ni ma na be ye mra eno abi na Ghana yen so ye no into was off way and then I saw ye shit just na so gujemu a etifo enye easy. Now, me I just don't understand. Bible ne kra eka, Bible no ni mo kra eka. Say yare si wo bi so ana yare ba. Quarantine yourself. Bible mo kan last na we read memory verse but last no be try me. Last time me kra aka ho asem. Me read memory verse no. Bible mo kra wo ho. Say yare etisi mo so a quarantine yourself. Inti afi aden. Afi aden. And I was so far I was winning Bible mu. Osi because president who when you say who can sack when you say president ninti won fi no. Bible na kan. Say wo bia wo high place bia esen wo no. Wo authority mu no fa ebuo ema no. And let me give you Osha, I think it is South Korea or something. South Korea. Womonso sa coronavirus epejani mu wo hopan. Na womo ya de womo ye mfidie ne nyama bebra ede bre womo wo mfidie eye like checking crofo bebre mass testing. Womo ye mass testing ma ye ni aye hu se ne kre. And then the ekun eboa womo. Now, South Korea, womo cases are eba ebebre. Womo ye investigation. Who say 80% of the cases no na eye wo babi. Na sa wo ba no asori e na wo de call e. South Korea o. Womo ye who say 80% of the cases eye wo babi. Na wo ba ni nya ye no say yare no de wunya 2 weeks ansana ebia symptoms be show 2 weeks and sana be feel say omiti ya me ya me say inti wonya yare no answer na 2 weeks be do na wo be hu symptoms no na mami okwa asore o South Korea wo kwa asore ekocheche wa asore ho uturu so wo yobi a asore program bia wo beko inti asore program bia wo kocheche say nde wo ba sorry na wo beche na wenya the next time wo ba sorry a wo be ba beche ama mi wa no onim say wo chiche wo wi a na wako eyie wo ko programs nti wo mo be trace hu say the 80% of their cases ni na no ni na ebesi ma mi so wo mo ye contact tracing no wo mo say ni na besi ma mi so na wo mo hu say eya sorry no nti wo mo kra hu say yare ne bae na ke ye the lockdown e bantemu a na ke enchin crofo bebre sa se won iti ya na crofo aka se yare we die asori say asori yesremo me de makao Ghana yesum nyame ye bodi ya yesi Israel nyame ni Israel hokra no sebe o matutu nsori mu even pope ye kan Roman asori akese Italy tutum na Ghana ye de hu ye we say o me the president aka me ntie because o person to say open na wo sum nyame sin obia Bible ni mu kra ka yare tisim no so a mun hye mo dem na mun lock mo ho aden it is how 4 weeks ya o man panyin ama yare we obi anim say nya yare a obeka say it will stay with us or be with us for 10 years to come into you can say to asori mu and na say 10 years to be suffer that be you know you come by say after 4 weeks no yare no entwa etuo ntwa and that me no ka say omo tisi krom spray baby marketplaces no omo so mo ya de you know you can say after 4 weeks no yare na enye den etuo ntwa it will dey for say 4 weeks and ya ba na wa sorry a we ya assemble gidi still wo pese wo mo ya ma de nkrofo eka say asofo ne de munima ne sika collection a wo pese mo ginti na mo ya ma sansem na ya na kre and that yare we ba ya ti si Ghana na ke ye behu na asofo ene nsori ankese say oh ye chiche free sanitizers but I'm here to hear of a church oma just say ye ma aban say ye che free sanitizer wo amagana for bebre sorry and they are speaking against the church because ya you say you see can na mo jiji for tithe and offering and no na ye mo de and they are real bagana for enya na ga sorry emma eye sanitizer na nyama na so dabi wa sorry ya tumu anu hunti wonje offering no enu na chese how aden nche ma jo comment box mo che for that